In this video, we're going to go over how to send an email to your class list. First, go into your course, and then click on the Course Tools option and select Classlist. Once here, there are two main ways to email your class list. The first is simply clicking Email Class List, which will bring up your entire class list, and all you have to do is select Send Email, which will bring up the Compose New Message page. By default, all of the people in the course will be blind CC'd. This means that no one else receiving the email will have access to other students' contact information. If you want to make a person's email visible, for example, in the case of a student TA who needs to be accessible to the class, you will need to add their email to the CC box of the new message page up here. By default, the subject line will include your course name, and you can either keep this or delete it and add in something else later. For example, here we'll put in test. Then simply add text into the body of your message and add any attachments you might want. You can also change the priority. By default, this will be set to normal, but you can choose it as a low priority or a high priority as well. When you're finished, simply click send, and the email will be sent out to your entire class list. The second way to get to this page requires that we go back to the class list and make sure that you're viewing the class list by users instead of groups to make sure that you are seeing everybody. So we're going to click on user and click apply. And now that we can see everybody that is in our class, I'm going to click the topmost checkbox to select all users, and then we'll click email. This once again brings up the Compose New Message box, which works exactly the same way. The process to email a single student is very similar. Once again, we start in our class list, and then we simply scroll down to the name of the user we want to email. For example, we could choose Student Demo 5. And we're going to select the single check mark next to their name, scroll back up to email, and it will open an email that is sent directly to that particular student. Please note that if a student says that they're not receiving their emails from their course, they need to check the email that is associated with their Banner account, as this is the only one that Brightspace will be able to contact. We also recommend that students connect their SMU email addresses to Banner to ensure that important emails from SMU and from their courses are not caught in spam filters. For more Brightspace resources, please visit the Studio website at studio.smu.ca or swing by the Software and Application Support Center at Atrium 107.